So that's where it started off. I lock off the sound officer. Then Was saw that song and then him come and say, yo, I like how you produce the song. I did shoot the video for that too. And this is how the video part come in now, because now I start produce. And the first time I go link some people to shoot video, I hear one price in my ears when I can't pay my rent.
Father God.
And then time there, a mango tree I feed off of. I have a mango tree in my yard. Them time they're hungry, real hungry days, them time them, man. But the fuel of the passion, they just that keep it.
Keep you going.
Yeah, only that make enough money to pay my rent. You see me? And the mango tree, them give thanks to that big old mango tree, big, like that would just be the thing. So when people...
Was that East Indian?
I can't remember one big red mango, the biggest mango I think on the island.
Maybe it's a beefy. Maybe.
Probably the beefy, well meaty. You eat that alone and your belly sit down for a couple of days.
Right.
So that now make me start to figure out how to shoot video. Because now we need visuals. And big up to Asha. Asha one of my biggest supporter in that something up to today date. Yeah. It's still called Asha, and Asha still get him watch me from early days. Yeah. Asha will help me with equipment and support me from them time there. You understand? Big up to them time there, big up to Roadblock Films. Was a part of the whole crew there when they just come together. And me shoot a lot of videos. I never put my name, but I put Roadblock Films
On it.
So some videos out there where
You
it's a Roadblock, but I really me shoot it and do all of them something. Because the reason why I never have no equipment, and them could have allowed me to use them computer for edit. We could have go in and get them camera and stuff. So that's how it develops. So these processes now are the different process. So we try to balance the video and the production at the same time.
Yardstyle Live.